Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be treating the topic solving for specific variable, also known as making subject of formula. Remember that a formula is an equation that states the relationship between two or more variables. Formulas and some equations contain more than one variable. It is often useful to solve formulas for one of the variables. For example, we can see here the formula for area of a trapezium. Anytime we're looking for area of a trapezium, we use A equals half open bracket A plus B close bracket H. But just imagine that the area is given to you and you're either asked to find the height or even the length of one of the parallel sides. It's possible, either A or B. So it's important to know how to solve for specific variable so you can use that same formula, manipulate it, and get a formula for the variable you are looking for. So that's what this video is about. So let's dig into it. Now, this question says A equals half open bracket A plus B close bracket H, solve for H. The first thing you do is you take all the things that aren't A to the other side. Let's start with the half. The half is multiplying. Okay, so let's do it this way. We're going to multiply 2 at both sides to get rid of this half. So 2a 2 times 1 over 2 a plus b h. This 2 cancels this 2, so we have 2a is equal to a plus b h. Remember, we are making h the subject of the formula, so we divide both sides by a plus b to get rid of this a plus b. But whatever we do to this side, we must do to this side as well. So this is 2a plus b, okay. Now a plus b cancels a plus b, h stands on its own, so now we have 2a all over a plus b. That means therefore h is equal to 2a all over a plus b. Final answer. And this was derived from the formula of a trapezium, making h the subject of the formula. Example 2. The formula A is equal to half base times height is the formula for calculating the area of a triangle. Now it says solve for h as well. Okay, the first thing we do is multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of this half. So this times 2, this times 2, 2 cancels 2, and now is 2a is equal to bh. Remember, I am making h the subject of the formula. I need to get rid of this b. It's multiplying, so you divide by b to get rid of this b. Whatever you do to this side, you must do to this side because of the equal sign. So h stands on its own, and h is 2a all over b. Done. H is 2a all over b. Here is my example 3, and it says S is equal to u plus vt. Solve for t. So in this case, I am solving for t. So first things first, u plus, so I subtract u from both sides. I have s minus u is equal to u plus vt minus u. So this u cancels this u. I'm left with s minus u is equal to vt. Remember, I am making t the subject of the formula, so I need to get rid of this v. I'm going to divide. The reason I'm dividing is because it is multiplying. So if I divide by v for this side, I must divide by v for this side as well because of the equal sign. This v cancels this v. I'm left with t, and my t is equal to s minus u all over v. You can write it the other way if you wish, which is s minus u all over v. I have solved for t. Here's my example 4, and it is c is equal to a plus k plus t. Solve for t. I am solving for t in this case. Okay, so I need to take this out, and I'm left with only t. For me to do that, I subtract a from both sides and subtract k from both sides as well. So a plus k plus t minus a minus k. This cancels this, this cancels this. I'm left with only t, which is equal to c minus a minus k, and I am done. Alright, if you're still watching till now, I want to say a big thank you to you. Don't forget to like this video, watch to the end, share with anybody you think will need it, and don't forget to turn on notification so you don't miss any math tip video from me. Here's our 5th example, and it says y equals to mx plus c all over b. Solve for m. Here's a fraction. I'll make this side a fraction as well by putting it over 1. So I have y over 1 is equal to mx plus c all over b. Now look at it. When two fractions equate each other in math, we can cross multiply. So I have y multiplied by b and 1 multiplied by the whole of this. 1 multiplied by the whole of this is still the whole of this. So I have mx plus c is equal to y multiplied by b is by. Remember, I am making m the subject of the formula, so I need to get rid of the c plus c by subtracting c from both sides. So I have mx plus c minus c is equal to by minus c. So this cancels this. I'm left with mx is equal to by or minus c. Remember, I'm making m the subject of the formula, so I need to get rid of this x. How do I do that? I'll divide both sides by x all over x all over x. X cancels x. M stands on its own, and it is m is equal to by minus c all over x. If you love this video and you have learned something, please subscribe, turn on notification so you don't miss any math tip. Thank you.